All right, this is a homework help video. If you're having trouble getting started on your homework, I'm going to do a couple of the first questions. So number 1 says, name the quadrant where each point is located. Remember that this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So you always start on the upper right-hand corner. So it says, what quadrant is point D in? So I find D, and it is here. So that's quadrant 2, or Roman numeral 2. You can do it either way. Just on like tests that you'll take in class, it'll be Roman numeral, so make sure you know which one is which. All right, going down to number 7, it says give the coordinates of point X. So I find point X, it's right here. I start at the origin, and I slide to positive 2, and I go up to positive 1. So that point would be positive 2, 1. Okay, now what if we had a point that was right on the axis? So say that we had a point right here. And we'll call that point G for Mrs. Gertz. What quadrant would that be in, and what is the coordinate of that? So point G, that point is, okay, start at the origin. It is slide to positive 3 and don't go up or down. So it would be 3, 0. So I can find that point. Now what quadrant is that in? If you have a point that's plotted on the x-axis or the y-axis, it's not in a quadrant, so you would say no quadrant, and you can abbreviate that. So if you have a point that's plotted on the x-axis or the y-axis, you can say no quadrant. Okay? Then it says down here, graph each point on the coordinate plane. So I'll do number 13. I'm going to graph the point 3. No, I'm going to do number 16, U. So I'm going to slide 0 and drop it down to negative 3. So slide nothing and drop it down to negative 3. Okay? And sometimes it makes it helpful when we're correcting if we put the letter there, so that's letter U. Okay? Number 19 says, does every point lie in a quadrant? Explain. Well, if you don't know the answer to that, rewatch the video that you're watching right now. When a point lies on the x-axis, what do we know about its y-coordinate? Here's a hint for you. Plot a point that's on the x-axis and write down what that ordered pair is. And then you can answer what is true about the y-coordinate. And then plot a point on the y-axis and write the coordinate down and say what's true about the x-coordinate. Okay? That's the end of homework help. Good luck on your homework. I'll see you next time.